Hey, I'm Scott and welcome to my Aldi kitchen. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what's new and happening around Aldi, and that's these root vegetable fries. We've been hearing a whole bunch of buzz about them, so we decided to put our own spin on it. The questions that are going out there right now are, what can you use these root vegetable fries for? And I would say that you can use them as a side dish for anything that you would really like to use them for, but in another post that we'll be doing shortly, we're actually using these root vegetable fries as the base for our vegetarian chilies. So what we're going to do is, how do you make them? That's a great question. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them onto a cookie sheet, and you'll notice that I actually have a piece of aluminum foil on my sheet. And the reason that I have the aluminum foil on here is because it's going to help the root vegetables get a little bit crisper when they're in the oven. So you could put them in just as they are and they're delicious, but we're going to flavor them up a little bit. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to add just about a teaspoon and a half of olive oil. And on top of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this great minced garlic that we got from Aldi's as well. And this minced garlic is actually in olive oil itself. Another trick that I like to do with this is, not only do I use the minced garlic out of it, but then you're left with a flavored olive oil at the very bottom, and so then you can use that for other things as well. So I'm just going to add just a couple of spoonfuls of minced garlic, and it's completely up to you and how much you want to put on there. If you want to put a little on, that's fine. If you want to really dress it up, put a lot on. I'm going to then use the best things that I know for mixing, and that's my hands. They're clean. I just washed them. I'm just going to mix this up a little bit so that I coat my fries in olive oil and in the minced garlic. And then what I'm going to do as well is try to get this as flat as possible on the cookie sheet. And in a preheated 400-degree oven, these will go. They will cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll want to turn them or rotate the fries probably halfway through. And, you know, again, just to your Christmas likeness, how crisp you like them. So these will go in the oven. Like I said, we're going to use them as a base for some vegetarian chili with a little bit of cheese on top. That's what we're going to do that for. You can find that post in an upcoming post. But again, just an idea for you. I hope that you like them. We love them. And thanks for stopping today in my Aldi kitchen. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.